Mga 400 meters to go. Bago magsimula yung ahon.
Salamat ha. Sabi ko na nga ba, warm up lang.
Attorney Raymond Fortun, conquering tops of Cebu.
Ayaw na.
Yan o, yan na, yan na yan. Yan na yan. Sino ba talaga si Budol King? Hindi talaga ikaw. Pwede naman tayo magpahinga eh, tapos 1K climb.
Ayoko. Ayoko na.
Hey, so what's up everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. Super early. I'm going to Cebu City, which I don't normally do, but I have a special guest. If you have read the title, you already know who it is. So I've been coaching him for quite a while now, and sa totoo lang, bubudulin natin si Budol King. So I am, by the way, wearing regular street clothes instead of cycling wear because I'm gonna leave my bike to the bike shop. I'm gonna leave it there for a bike spa, and I'm gonna head to the local pool for a swim, and I don't wanna move around and ride a PUV in a cycling attire. The plan actually is to go up to Busay. Don't know till where, hopefully to Tops, because basically you haven't climbed Busay if you haven't been to Tops, and it's a good view deck for Cebu City. And if we do get to Budol, the Budol King, this is none of my doings, by the way, because I'm just invited to this ride as well. So if may sisisihin dito, Boss Arf, si Lods dyan dapat, kasi siya ang nagplano. Alright, so we're in Cebu City. First sa meet up kay si Attorney Carlo. Yan na tao nga epitome of never not riding na ride. Kanang tawhan na hilantano na siya wala di ka bike.
Morning, good morning.
Atumati mo.
Pohon. Right, here's the crew. Mukhang mahirap budulin ah. Relax na relax. What the? Idol Arf, how's Cebu so far?
Good. Masakit naman yun. Masarap.
Hey Roland, good morning! Good morning Roland! Mick! Lodge, bago kayong espalto Lodge, murag kabaho sila nga muaris purton. Let's go! Oh, paano mamubudol yung kags? Kaya akyatin kahit niyog. Oh? Eh, parang naging self-budol na din tong ruta na to kasi okay lang sa kanya, kami nahihirapan. Morning! Idol, mga 400 meters to go bago magsimula yung ahon.
Sabi ko nga ba, warm up lang.
Ay kuba-kuba na ako. Represent 150 meters. Let's go. Logi di kasi ang kag. Uy, ay paggayin ng gawayan diha. Ha?
Matay. Buto na ako dugan.
Hoy! Hoy! Attorney, Ang pangalan ng segment na to is Buak, which literally means in Cebuano, break.
Okay.
Yan, going to tops. The actual climb. Sino ba talaga si Budol King? Hindi talaga ikaw. Pwede naman tayo magpahinga eh, tapos 1K climb.
Ayoko na.
A few moments later.
Okay, marami tayong nabudol today. First timer sa tops. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, let's go. Mga first timer sa tops. Attorney Raymond Fortun, conquering tops of Cebu.
Ayaw na.
Yan na, yan na, yan na yan. Yan na yan. Balay busay. Let's go.
For the first time.
All right. Welcome to Cebu. Downhill, padung tops. Attorney, basically, if you conquer this hill, you basically conquered tops. Because this downhill will be a slingshot to the next hill. Yeah. Pero may entrance kasi doon. But dito usually yung finish line ng mga hill climb races here. Ano? Kamusta?
Patay na ko ani.
Huh?
Hey, idol.
Alright, so congratulations to the new conquerors of tops Cebu. First time? First time? First time? Oh. Passed with flying colors. Okay, shout out diay sa tigmintin sa akong bike. Oh, akong bike ron limpyo pas brand new. Wah. Sinaw kayo. Alright, so able to squeeze in swim workout after the ride earlier today, and super glad to be able to finally ride with Mr. Budol King, or allegedly the Budol King, kasi hindi naman niya inaamin na siya talaga si Budol King. And I don't know if we really can say we budoled Mr. Budol King, because he looked in control out there, and to be fair and honest, it's very hard to budol him because he is very smart with his pacing, and you can't force him to ride harder, or you can't force him to anything that he doesn't want to do. And also we should really acknowledge the fact that Attorney Raymond Fortun, or ARF as we call him, is fit and apparently very, very strong. We all know, especially in the PRB community, ARF's commitment to his fitness. Not many of us can name a 60-year-old that can climb as efficiently to tops. For those who have experienced climbing to tops, know that it is not easy, and I couldn't name you any other 60-year-old that can climb up to tops. So that fitness and strength, coupled with a stubborn mind, I would say, and you add to that a 1042 cog at the back, he might be Budol proof. He might not be Budol King as he claims, but he could be Budol proof really. Hopefully when he comes back to Cebu, he'll have a longer stay so that we can test that claim. But welcome to Cebu, Idol ARF, and hope you enjoy your stay here. Have fun running at CC Lex, and hopefully soon we'll be able to ride more here. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you want to support the channel, please do subscribe. And also I want to thank my sponsors. Thank you so much for supporting this vlog. We'll be reviving this vlog more this year, and I'll be posting soon our training camp in Badian, so watch out for that. And for now, thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.